It's your boy Entity303 back today with another video. And wait a second, this isn't my skin. Well, it is now because I found the skin and I really like it. So, and it also matches my username. But anyways, today I am on the Grinders map from MCPE add-ons. Download the app on the App Store. So, I'm gonna go back to first-person mode. And then we'll start this video. Alright, let's go to crates, or let's see what these are first. And if you hear me sniffling throughout the video, it's my allergies. Allergies are really kicking up here, so don't mind me. Whoa, what just happened? Crate info. Every 5 minutes of playtime, you will open this crate. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna open this one. Oh, that's fancy. Look at this. Ooh. Alright, let's go back. What's this crate? Adventure crate. Crate info. Every 30 seconds of playtime, you will open this crate. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright, not bad. Alright. So let's go back. Alright, so that's the Adventure crate and the Celestial crate. Alright, I don't think there's any other crates, so let's go back. Alright, let's see, what is this? Oh, sorry, it's lagging. Info. And what does that say? Hold on. Let it stop lagging for a second. Okay. I'm not sure what that is, so I'm gonna go check it out. Oh wait, is that a villager? Oh, it is a villager. Hi. Why am I here anyway? Well, that's a villager. Events. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go to play. Wait, first I'm gonna put my armor and stuff on. Let's see how I look. Okay, pretty weird, but okay. Alright, effortless, easy, normal, hard. I'm gonna go to effortless. Alright, let's see. What? Oh, am I supposed to go back out here? What am I supposed to do? Okay. Alright, let's see. What else? If the light is on, mobs can spawn. Mobs spawn indicator. Alright, let's see. Oh wait, am I supposed to step on this pressure plate? Oh, I think I was. Slime Lord. Okay. What is that? Hold on. Need to get a closer look at that. What does that say? Easter Wizard. Okay. There's that, and then the Mystic Sheep, and the Jungle Dweller. Alright, well, let's go see what's going on here. Okay, so that's that. I don't even know how to get in here. I think there's like gotta be some sort of. Is there? Oh wait, there is. Alright, let's see. Oh no, wait, is that an enemy or is that friendly? Probably friendly. Oh hey, there's a TV. Alright. Not specifically sure what to do here, but I guess I'll find something to do. Oh, this is interesting. No, don't go into water. Alright, let's go to the crafting table. And craft a new chest plate. Some diamond boots. Alright, let's go to my inventory. Let's put that on. Let's put that on. Let's put that on. And there we go. Got a full suit of armor. Oh, it's becoming night. Maybe mobs will start spawning. I should probably make myself some better armor. Or maybe a better weapon. Oh wait, I don't have sticks. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna make some sticks. Let's go to here. Sticks. And let's craft one of these. Alright, let's get this. Other use room. Debug room. Creator only. Enhancing room. Lapis. Apple. XP generator. Alright, let's see if some mobs have spawned yet. Oh, is that a mob spawner right there? Yep, that's a zombie spawner. Well, let's see what the mode is. Peaceful. Yeah, I need to set that to normal. Oh no, 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 no. Come on, stop lagging. Oh no, stop, 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 stop. Why is it lagging? I can't press. Why won't the settings go back? Oh, there we go. Resume game. Alright, let's see. Are there... Oh, there are zombies following me. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, get out of the chest, get out of the chest. Oh, I died. Alright, let's see if there's any mobs around here. There's probably not, but I still want to check. Alright, the lamp is on, so let's go back to that place. Alright. Oh wait, that's the extra room. Oh no. Where did the zombies go? Okay, there's one. And I think it's keep inventory, so I should still have my armor. Yep, I do. No, there's a zombie. Well, that was easy. Whoa, they're deadly now? Thought they were peaceful. No, get back, get back, get back. Oh, I died. Alright. And just letting you guys know, I'm more of a builder than a fighter. So, don't judge me or demonetize me if I'm not very good. I'm joking about the demonetized part, but yeah, I'm not super great at this, but I still think I'm fairly decent. Nope, no, I'm not. No, I'm really not. I'm in the lava? Wait, what? What's happening? Whoa. Baby zombie, oh no. No, no, get down, zombies. Aww. I'm gonna have to pull out my bow. Wait, what does this have on it? Alright, I'll try this to see if it's a little better. Oh wait, they're behind me. Why do I keep spawning like that? Oh wait, I forgot about the zombies. Forgot about the zombies. No, 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 no. Let's get this. Alright, let's slowly approach this. And maybe I can get some zombies. Oh wait, there's a zombie. Let's see if I have good enough aim to hit it. Oh wait, it's lagging. Oh no. Man, this bow really shreds down those zombies. Oh, what? Grab this, grab this, grab this, grab this, grab this, grab this. Come on! I'm not gonna be able to kill this. What's going on? Oh, I'm safe. No, I'm not. Yep, I'm dead. Well, anyways, let's see if my crates are refilled. Ow. Oh yeah, another thing is, leave in the comments if you want me to play Call of Duty Mobile for my next video game, okay? Nothing in that chest, okay. I see how it is, okay. Wait, why wouldn't it get me back? Okay, there we go. Alright, let's see. This should have some stuff. And it doesn't. Wait, it does? Okay, it's not bad. But I don't need the armor. Let's go back. Oh, and I want to see what's down the staircase. So laggy. Wait, what is this? What is this? What are those? Oh wait, I can't use those. Oh. Well, anyways, leave in the comments if you want me to continue this or play Call of Duty Mobile for the next video game. I mean, for the next video, okay? Anyways, goodbye.